Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Wednesday the 18th of May. So we said that the FTSE continued its strong rebound and it needed to clear initial resistance at that 75.38 to 48 to see moves higher. We said initial support came in at 74.63 to 74.73. However, a sustained break below there could see moves towards strong support at 74.11 to 74.21. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. So as you can see, at the moment, we haven't really had too much to do on the FTSE today. We had this 75.38 to 75.48 zone, and we held that overnight in the overnight session, back when the future session opened, and we stayed below there. We did actually get a really nice textbook reversal from this zone here, which worked quite nicely. Didn't go all the way to the other zone, but there was plenty of room to get a good risk to reward trade in there. Again, a little bit risky just because it was not a trade that necessarily I was looking to trade from today. Again, so maybe that's more just for pattern recognition skills. You've got just taken out the liquidity of those overnight lows and a really strong reversal pattern there. But as you can see, we then pushed down and we haven't quite made it down to the initial support of 74.63 to 73. So a low volatility day today on the FTSE. That was the only opportunity, but again, it would have been a little bit risky to take. So that one's probably more for sort of advanced traders to take on that one. So other than that though, like I say, not really any opportunities to trade on the FTSE, even though this zone in the middle here worked quite well today. So let's go and have a look at the DAX. Hi traders and welcome to the DAX report. So the DAX needs to get, as we said, that the DAX needed to get a sustained break above 14,265 to 295 initial resistance, and we said initial support came in today at 14,030 to 055. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so you can see that the DAX was very much like the FTSE, and it hasn't really reached any of our the areas that we wanted to trade. Certainly not in the morning session. But notice how the DAX instead was very, very choppy around this zone. It didn't really respect this zone at all. No opportunities really whatsoever on the DAX. Certainly into the morning session, there was a couple of opportunities here. We had one just at the top of this zone here. And then notice how we just took out the liquidity of that low there before then putting in the reversal. So this one, these two trades here were valid. They were very aggressive because they're from the top of that zone. Both of them potentially could have been risk managed to come out break even. This one potentially a losing trade. This one certainly you would have been wanting to book profits or at least make that a break even trade and getting risk off the table. But we haven't seen that strong reaction or bounce from this zone either, and we're now coming towards the end of the session, so we will have to have a look at how the market reacts to here. The US markets are looking a little bit weaker at the moment. They've actually broken through their support zones, so we'll just have to see how the US market reacts, how that impacts the European markets, and then we'll update you in our reports in the morning. So I hope you're finding these reports useful. I hope you're seeing the value they can add, and by sticking to those clear zones of support and resistance that we mentioned in the reports, can keep us safe in the markets. They can give us the right locations to trade from, keep us safe when the market's chopping around a little bit as well. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think of the reports, and please comment, like, follow. Come join the Keyzone Traders community by joining the Keyzone service and joining our Discord channels to receive these reports before the market opens in the morning. So I hope you'll find them useful, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Have a good evening.